how to see Instagram story replies. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Instagram app on your mobile. As you go to the Instagram app on your mobile, then you're going to go to the chat option up above, and then to go to the person who just replied to your story. Now I had a story the last 2 weeks, and over here you can say that you reply to their story, and you reply to their story, mention to in you in their stories. And over here you can say that he replied you to your story, and who mentioned you in your story, and how who replied to your story. Or if you don't want to do this, you can go to your story, add a story, whatever you want to add, and as you add the story, you can go down on click on the status of the story, and then you can show how who replied to your story. This is how you can see Instagram story replies. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.